Welcome, finance enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the 21 lessons from the book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind that will transform your life. This book, written by T. Harv Eker, is a gem filled with financial wisdom that will help you transform your relationship with money and change your life for the better. Before we dive into these valuable lessons, I want you to take a moment to reflect. Are you ready to change your financial life? If so, this video will be a friendly guide that accompanies you on your journey to wealth and success. Lesson number 1: The Wealth Files. T. Harv Eker teaches us that our financial mindset is influenced by our wealth files. Have you ever reflected on your relationship with money and where your financial beliefs come from? It's essential to recognize that our financial beliefs are shaped by our past experiences and the influences of our education. What beliefs do you have about money, and where do they come from? For example, if you grew up in an environment where money was scarce, you likely have limiting beliefs about abundance. Recognize your limiting beliefs and work on changing them to unlock your financial potential. Lesson number 2: Scarcity Mindset versus Abundance Mindset. T. Harv Eker reminds us that mindset is the determining factor for your financial success. Do you have a scarcity mindset or an abundance mindset? The scarcity mindset makes you believe that resources are limited, while the abundance mindset allows you to see opportunities everywhere. A scarcity mindset will make you fear financial risk, while an abundance mindset will drive you to seek opportunities. Cultivate an abundance mindset to unlock your financial potential and attract wealth into your life. Lesson number 3: The Importance of Financial Education. Financial education is key to making informed decisions. How much time do you dedicate to learning about finances? Financial education empowers you by providing the necessary knowledge to make informed financial decisions. How much are you investing in your financial education? Learning about investing, budgeting, and debt management can make a difference in your financial success. Dedicate regular time to learning about finances and stay updated in the constantly evolving financial world. Lesson number 4: The Importance of Saving and Investing. Saving and investing are the cornerstones of wealth. Are you building a solid financial future through saving and investing? Savings provide you with a financial cushion to handle emergencies and seize opportunities, while investments grow your wealth over time. How much are you saving and investing for your future? Establish a saving and investment plan that aligns with your financial goals. Make saving a habit by setting aside a percentage of your income and consider investments to grow your wealth. Lesson number 5: Debt Management. T. Harv Eker reminds us that not all debts are bad, but it's essential to manage them wisely. Have you recently evaluated your debts and how they affect your financial situation? By managing your debts smartly, you can minimize the financial burden and free up resources for saving and investing. Do you have a plan to reduce your debts? If you have debts with high interest rates, prioritize paying them off. Establish a debt management plan and work on reducing them to improve your financial health. Lesson number 6: The Power of Passive Income. Having multiple sources of income is a key strategy for wealth. Are you exploring ways to generate passive income? Passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep and frees up your time and energy for other activities. What steps are you taking to diversify your sources of income? Real estate investment or creating an online business are common ways to generate passive income. Explore opportunities for passive income and diversify your sources of wealth. Lesson number 7: The Importance of Budgeting. A budget is like a map that guides you to your financial goals. Do you follow a budget, or do you feel you could improve in this area? A budget allows you to control your expenses, avoid wasteful spending, and find areas where you can save and allocate more money to your goals. Do you have a budget, and do you follow it closely? A budget helps you identify unnecessary expenses and allocate resources to what truly matters. Create a realistic budget and stick to it closely to take control of your finances. Lesson number 8: The Importance of Investing in Yourself. Investing in your education, skills, and health is key to your financial success. How much are you investing in your personal development? Investing in yourself makes you more valuable in the job market and equips you with the skills needed for success. Taking courses, attending seminars, and taking care of your health are ways to invest in yourself. Dedicate time and resources to your personal development as it will open doors to financial opportunities. Lesson number 9: the importance of perseverance. On the path to wealth, perseverance is key. Are you willing to overcome obstacles and keep moving forward? Perseverance allows you to overcome failures, learn from them, and continue working towards your financial goals. Are you willing to overcome obstacles on your journey to wealth? Successful people often face challenges, but their perseverance leads them to success. Maintain determination and a mindset of not giving up in the face of obstacles. Perseverance will bring you closer to your goals. Lesson number 10: the importance of gratitude. Practicing gratitude helps you focus on what you have rather than what you lack. Are you a grateful person? Gratitude helps you maintain a positive mindset and attract more blessings into your life. Do you practice gratitude in your daily life? Keeping a gratitude journal can be an excellent way to remember your blessings. Practice gratitude and focus on the good things in your life. This will help you maintain a positive attitude and attract more abundance. Lesson number 11: the importance of surrounding yourself with positive people. Your social environment can influence your mindset and financial success. Are you surrounded by people who support and inspire you? Positive and motivating people can encourage you on your journey to wealth. Do your relationships encourage you to be a better version of yourself? Positive friendships and associations can open doors and provide you with opportunities. Cultivate relationships with people who share your goals and motivate you to achieve them. Lesson number 12: the importance of taking responsibility. T. Harv Eker reminds us that we must take responsibility for our finances. Are you willing to take control of your financial life? Taking responsibility empowers you and allows you to make conscious decisions instead of blaming others. Are you willing to take responsibility for your finances? Taking responsibility means acknowledging that you are the sole driver of your financial future. Take control of your finances and make informed decisions to improve your financial situation. Lesson number 13: the importance of taking action. Action is the bridge between your dreams and financial reality. Are you taking concrete steps to achieve your goals? Without action, goals are just dreams. Action is what makes them a reality. Are you taking concrete steps to achieve your financial goals? One small step at a time brings you closer to your financial goals. Set clear goals and take concrete steps toward achieving them. Consistent action is the key to financial success. Lesson number 14: the importance of adaptability. The financial world is constantly changing. Are you adaptable and willing to learn and evolve? Adaptability allows you to face challenges and capitalize on new opportunities. Are you adaptable in your financial approaches? Successful people adapt to changes and capitalize on emerging trends. Keep an open mind and be willing to learn and adjust your financial strategies as necessary. Lesson number 15: the importance of long-term planning. Long-term planning is essential for achieving your financial goals. Have you defined your long-term financial goals and are you working on a plan to achieve them? Long-term planning helps you stay focused on your dreams and provides you with a roadmap to achieve them. Have you set clear long-term financial goals? Planning for retirement, buying a house, or your children's education are examples of long-term goals. Define clear financial goals and create a detailed plan to achieve them. Long-term planning is essential for your financial success. Lesson number 16: the importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to financial security. Have you diversified your assets and considered how it affects your level of risk? Diversification reduces risk and can increase your chances of long-term success. Have you diversified your investments and assets? Diversifying into different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, can reduce exposure to risk. Evaluate your investment portfolio and ensure it's balanced and diversified. Lesson number 17: risk management. In investments, taking calculated risks is essential. Have you recently evaluated your investments and their level of risk? Risk management helps protect your capital and achieve your financial goals. Are you considering risk management in your investments? Evaluate your risk tolerance and adjust your investment portfolio accordingly. Consult a tax or financial planning professional to take advantage of available deductions and tax strategies. Pay what you owe, but not a penny more. Lesson number 18: the importance of legacy. Planning for succession and legacy is essential to ensure the financial well-being of future generations. Have you considered your financial legacy? Make sure your legacy is a source of support, not complications. Consult an estate planning attorney to ensure your assets are efficiently passed on. Lesson number 19: emotional control. Emotions can cloud financial judgment. Are you aware of how your emotions can influence your financial decisions? Learn to control your emotions in financial situations, such as not succumbing to panic in a market downturn or getting carried away in a bull market. Self-control is key to financial success. Are you practicing emotional self-control in your financial decisions? Lesson number 20: the importance of charity. Helping others through charity is not only noble but can also have tax benefits. Have you considered the impact of charity on your financial life? Get involved in charity meaningfully, not just for tax benefits. Generosity is a virtue that enriches your life and the lives of others. How could you incorporate charity meaningfully into your financial approach? Lesson number 21: the art of negotiation. Negotiation can save you money and increase your income. Have you honed your negotiation skills? Learn to negotiate effectively, whether when purchasing goods or negotiating a salary. Negotiation skills can have a significant impact on your financial situation. In what areas of your financial life could you apply negotiation to achieve better results? Lesson number 21: the lifelong journey. Finally, remember that the path to financial prosperity is a continuous journey. Are you committed to lifelong learning and improving your finances? Keep an open mind and a willingness to learn. Financial education and adaptability are essential to thrive in this lifelong financial journey. What steps are you taking to ensure that your financial journey is fruitful and rewarding over the years? Each lesson is like a treasure in your quest for financial independence. So, are you ready to apply these lessons and transform your finances forever? I hope this journey has been enriching for you, and that you feel inspired to take control of your finances. I encourage you to explore more financial education content, and for your next lesson, I suggest you watch the video displayed below. Until next time, friends, and may your finances prosper.